Oh my god, I am so happy I finally got an iPad. It's an iPad mini too. 16 gigs. I can't really read it, everything's backwards, I don't know why. Dun, dun, dun. Here's the iPad mini 2. Brand new. $600. It's 16 gigs and I got a 2-year plan. Little Apple packet. Comes with the squid, info, and some stickers. So put that back in the packet and keep it. So we put that right there. We have charger cord, standard USB. This then plugs into the and then standard USB cord, and then the box. So this folds down like that. Put this down, and then I'm turning on this one. Plug this into it, and then we plug this end. This end into there. So that's all I got. Thing. The iPad. The box. That's all in the box. But let's get into setting up the iPad. First thing, I'll put the cable. Put back into the plastic thing. Put back in the box. Charging. And if you didn't know, charging thing comes off. I don't know how to fire that. So I put the packet back in the tube. And the iPad, there we go. What? Okay, 1 second. Just have to give my mom her phone, and now let's try to set it up. I just wanted to do an unboxing video, but I already got it, and I already used it a lot. I already used it, so it's still brand new, fully functional. Okay. Apps and stuff. And I just wanted to do an unboxing video on it because I got it and I just didn't really want to make a video with it, or a video because it was Christmas yesterday. That's why I just played with it like all day and my other presents, and then I was just waiting today to do the unboxing on it, impressions, and this is the unboxing on it. So that was my first Apple unboxing. Tell me in the comments below how you think I did, If I did good, terrible, okay, or great. Yes, my hair is crazy today. And also want to show you. So there you go. So I'm gonna make videos with it too. Because I'm gonna plug my GoPro. I already made a video into my laptop. And I'm gonna upload them to YouTube from my laptop. And I can also make videos with my iPad. So go check out my channel, Kenny Everett. I actually have 2 channels now. They're both Kenny Everett. But I'm gonna show you which is which. So I'm gonna get my iPad. So let me get to it first. My next one is all that is on. You see me going like that, and it's just my next one. What? Oh. Kenny Everett. Okay, this is my first channel. This is my first channel with me holding the Nerf Mega Thunderbow. I'm wearing an Under Armour shirt, holding a Nerf Mega Thunderbow going like this. That's my first one. My second one I need a picture. Let me try to add a picture. So you know. So you guys know which is which. What? How do you do that? What happened? Oh. You mean a fish? Isn't that a fish? Oh my god, ew. That's disgusting. Siri, how do you change your username on YouTube?
Let's see. Okay, I found this on the web, but how do you change your username on YouTube?
I'm just gonna check this out real quick, I'm sorry.
Welcome back to my videos, and this one's going to be a how-to on, how to change your YouTube username, because with this Google Plus stuff, it's really hard to do, so I found a way to do it, and it works, and everything. So, I'm in my account that I made up, because I just made this one up because my other accounts that I had, YouTube accounts, I've already changed them and I can't go back, so I just made a new one for you guys to see how to do it. So as you can see, I'm on my home page. What you want to do is you want to go up to your picture up here, and you want to click this little down arrow. And this should come up if you have a Google Plus account with your YouTube, which is to go to YouTube settings, click on it, and then it comes up with this stuff. Okay? So now what you want to do is go to advanced.
Hurry up.
And it comes up with this stuff. Okay? So usually people are like, oh, there's this link down here that says change your username or something. Okay, no. Since we have Google Plus accounts linked with our YouTube accounts, this is what you do.
Alright. I have Google Plus. Okay. Oh well, I'm sorry this video was kind of boring because I was just sitting here on my iPad trying to get it to work, but I have two channels. The first one So the first one's me holding the Nerf Thunderbolt like this with my Under Armour shirt. The other one I just named Kenny Everett. And oh my god, wait. And that's it. So thanks for watching this video on the unboxing of the iPad Mini 2. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more. Bye.